Well, I haven't made a video in a while. I haven't been up to much stuff. But got me an air compressor. Grandpa gave me this air compressor. It's a 1983 model Sears 1 horsepower air compressor. This thing's been taken great care of. My grandpa bought it brand new. $399, May of '83. It doesn't have the original wheels on it because my grandma had a little accident about 20 years ago and somehow managed to run their Honda through the garage wall. So works good. See where the repair work's been done, because that got broke too. It's got ball bearing wheels now. The old ones were plastic pieces of crap. Well, I would make a running video over it, but that would be pretty boring because I think you'd probably get the idea of how it sounds. It does work, everything works fine. Give me some air hoses with it. An impact wrench too, a Campbell on Housefield, or I'm not sure how you say that, impact wrench. But yeah.